Oh, it was mighty, mighty, mighty good, mighty grand. I loved it. I just loved it.
Absolutely fantastic.
I honestly can't believe what I watched, and I'm so happy to have witnessed something that incredible and inspiring. I'm just, honestly, I can't put it into words.
Absolutely glorious.
It was absolutely beautiful. Loved how they move, how they're on stage, real presence. Yeah, it was beautiful.
The ending just blew you away, and if you weren't already lifted out of your seat, that was it, up on your feet, and clapping doesn't even feel enough.
Just really intense, amazing, blew me away.
As a dancer, I was just blown away by the physical ability, the motifs, the concept.
I love how grounded all the movements are and how different it is from other contemporary dance that we come and see. Yeah, really fabulous.
Really, really impressed with the quality of dancing, the interpretation of the music, and everything really.
So fluid, so technically complex, amazing music. Loved it.
You just want to dance. I mean, I don't know why they don't invite us up on the stage. It's just brilliant.
I thought the dances were absolutely electrifying.
Oh, it was great. Almost better than last time we saw them.
It's just beautiful. Amazing.
I knew the name for a long time, but never saw before. Fantastic. I'll go where they are.
Amazing, amazing, bursting of energy and inspiration. Fantastic.
The women, I salute you. The power that you were so soft at the same time. Every piece kept me mesmerised.
The standard is just first class. The dancing, one of my favourite pieces is Revelation. So I always come back to Revelations.
Alvin Ailey is the best, especially Revelation. That's my song, my choreography. Revelation. Yay!